What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subi fam. We are back at it again with a Hawkeye video. We got Mitch here today. We got a nice front lip to install. So we're gonna move the Corolla and we're gonna also move Scooby. So we'll back Scrappy out of the driveway. All right, guys, so let's open the garage. Sorry I haven't been posting as much lately. We did go on a nice little cruise. We needed to relax, me and Em, but we're back at it. We're here to make some more content for you guys. Hey, Scrappy. Hey, Scrappy. There she is. Garage is a mess right now, guys. All right, I'm gonna give the camera to Mitch. We're gonna move the car so we can back Scrappy out and start this shit up.
I missed it. Dang it.
I missed it.
Okay.
I was fucking walking and talking to Scrappy. I heard. I was like, ah.
It looks so good, dude. Gee, looks on that shit. Yeah, I still can't even know. Dude, you gotta see how it looks with like the OEM wheels on it and shit.
Facts. We got this.
We got to the Bronco.
We got the sick Bronco here. We just added a front bar, and then we did the emblems, and then you got a couple of Raptor lights under there. Yeah, I did the body armor.
These new Broncos, man, I'm a fan, guys. I'm a big fan.
You see the Bronco emblems we added?
This one, by the way, guys, is the Wild Track, right?
Yeah,
The Wild Track.
it is a Wild Track edition.
That's sick. I think it would be sick. All right.
Let's get Scrappy out of the garage.
Want to do the honors, kid?
Sure.
Going up. We'll let Mitch pull out the Hawkeye. Get some GD love in there. Hey, you're gonna notice. So guys, like I said in my recent pod video, this thing definitely needs some motor mounts. Mitch, you're gonna notice that as soon as you turn it over, you're gonna feel that thing shake. That's why, guys, I haven't really been driving it much. I'm waiting to get the motor mounts done, to shift the bushings, and then we can really start enjoying this thing. Clean. You feel it? Tell me not. You can feel it almost too right now in like your ass, no? All right, guys, let's get this car jacked up. Let's get this front lip on. Guys, this is like some serious wrapping on this front lip, man. Woo! Definitely already super happy with the purchase, guys. I'll drop the link in the description. If any of you guys have a GD and you're looking for a nice cheap lip, there we go. Exactly the same style as OEM. So, and we'll show you guys a nice little touch we're gonna add to at the end. Oh yeah, guys, that looks freaking amazing. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Oh my God, I'm so happy with it. Me and Mitch are gonna look for a few more self-tappers just to really make sure it's super secure. Just because, you know, we have some experience with some saggy lips. So that looks so much better, guys. Oh my God. Yes. I don't know why I didn't do this earlier. All right, now I promise 100% the next mod is to fix this only rust spot, this passenger side fender. We're looking into getting some JDM fenders. So if anybody, you know, knows anything, drop some comments down below. That would be pretty helpful. But if not, we're just gonna grab some, you know, OEM US ones. But man, I love it. All right, guys, so I just ran inside real quick. I do want to show you, now that we got the front lip on, the little touch that I was talking about that we did find off of one of the websites that I will drop the link in the description once I refind it again. But this, guys, is a little STI chicklet. It's pretty much like an OEM chicklet. If you guys know, you know, OEM parts, especially front lips, rear diffusers, and side skirts from Subaru usually come with a little STI badge. So a lot of companies sell, you know, off-branded OEM stuff that look pretty much exactly like OEM, but they're just missing the badge. So now we got the badge, guys. So that's gonna be a super nice touch. That I really like that for sure. Guys, remember, go check out the wagon video that we did just dropped not too long ago on Mitch's wagon. Super sick. We are going to be putting that motor back in soon, so stay tuned to the channel, guys. Super gas. He's going to be making some sauce, baby. But yeah, he's already looking into some other mods as well, like STI swapped interior, maybe some brakes, stuff like that. So stay tuned, guys. Slowly but surely, baby. All right, guys, I really want to get this front end, you know, looking the way I wanted. So we're just gonna run to like an Ace real quick, grab something to throw this license plate delete on. You know, we have to rock the fam. So let's start up the Hawkeye, let it warm up, and head to Ace. This thing definitely does need, you know, an engine, some engine mounts, STI group end, engine mounts, and shifting bushings for sure. But we'll take this baby. She hasn't been driven in a while. We'll just hit it with a nice fresh oil change too. So we'll change that trip. The car's got 120,000, guys, $499. I love it. Q300 is literally like the perfect tone. Ooh, these brakes need to be used for sure. I love the Hawk, baby. Oh yeah. Yeah, these brakes definitely need to be used. I've already been thinking about maybe doing some new drilled and slotted rotors, new pads, all the way around. Just really refresh this whole car, man. Definitely want to do some suspension too soon. Oh, she rides so smooth. She loved the new pluggies. Absolutely loved it. Some motor mounts, shifter bushings. This thing's running freaking sweet. All right, guys, we just pulled up to Ace. Let's see if we can get our front license plate delete on, you know, the Subi Fam one, and let's see if we can get that back license plate fixed. You know what I mean? Both bolts in. Let's get this baby, you know, the right way. Let's get the front end looking, you know, absolutely minty. Ugh, I love the Hawk. Never mind, with the OEM lip. You know what I mean? Looking, and now we're gonna have the license plate delete on. So very, very nice. Definitely got to get that fender. But all right, let's go into Ace. Let's grab that stuff and let's get it. All right, we got to get one little walk back. Oh yeah, that is sick. I love it. All right, let's go get this stuff. Well, guys, we just ran to Ace for absolutely nothing. The sizes didn't work, but that's all right. I just grabbed some shots of Scrappy over here in the corner, looking nice and clean with the new front lip. Mitch is gonna bring us by what we need so we can get the front end looking the right way, get that back license plate on the right way, and yeah. All right, guys, we're back home. My boy Mitch pulled through, came in clutch. He brought the Bronco by, but we got that front end looking just the way we wanted, baby. Look at that, guys. We got that license plate delete on now with that front lip. Oh, it looks freaking amazing. Amazing. She looks, brother. She looks. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. We definitely just upgraded that front end. Now, guys, I promise, fenders are gonna be coming. That needs to get taken care of before that starts spreading and whatnot, because the car is really, really clean. But heck yeah, man. I'm super, super satisfied with it. That's awesome. All right, guys, we just took it for a little cruise. We definitely need some motor mounts, so oh my gosh, guys, we're with them right now. We're picking up some groceries. We had to take the Hawkeye. Look at that front end. Oh my gosh. Let me know, guys. Drop the comments down below. Let me know, what do you think about the Hawkeye? How do you think it's coming out? What do you think about the front end? I think it definitely needed the lip. It looks absolutely flawless. Now, definitely time to do the fender, get some of the mods going, and start making this Hawkeye the dream build, baby. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go run and grab my groceries. Remember, if you're liking all the content and you're liking the channel, smash that like button, show us all the love, do it all up. It only, you know, encourages me to create more videos, keep going for you guys. But I think the Hawkeye's absolutely looking amazing, man. Drop them comments down below. Subi Fam out, baby.